In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Premiere Pro subscription. Whether you're a budding video editor or a seasoned pro looking for the latest features, subscribing to Premiere Pro can open up a world of creativity. Let's get started with this straightforward process. First, you'll want to navigate to Adobe's official website. Simply type in adobe.com/premiere into your web browser. This will take you to the Premiere Pro page. Once there, you should see options for Buy Now or Free Trial. For those ready to commit, click on Buy Now. If you're interested in trying before buying, start with a free trial and then follow the prompts to purchase afterward. Next up is selecting a plan that suits your needs. Adobe offers various plans, so it's essential to choose one that matches your budget and usage requirements. You might find options that include only Premiere Pro or plans that come bundled with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps. Take your time to review these options. It's a great idea to weigh the benefits of each, considering both the cost and what you intend to use the software for. Once you've settled on a plan, it's time to select your preferred payment option. Adobe offers flexibility here. You can go for a monthly subscription, an annual plan billed monthly, or an annual plan where you pay the total amount up front. Each option may come with different advantages, such as cost savings with an annual prepaid plan. Take a moment to consider how frequently you'll be using Premiere Pro and how much you're willing to invest. Now it's time to create an Adobe account if you don't have one already. This is where your subscription will be managed, and you'll need an Adobe ID, which is essentially your email address linked to your Adobe account. If you already have an account, simply sign in with your existing credentials. Otherwise, follow the prompts to set up a new account. It's a quick and straightforward process. Next, you'll be required to enter your payment details. Adobe accepts various payment methods, including credit or debit cards, as well as PayPal. Ensure that the information you provide is accurate to avoid any issues with your subscription activation. Double-check your details before proceeding to ensure everything is correctly entered. Finally, it's time to confirm your purchase and kick off your editing journey by downloading Premiere Pro. After confirmation, follow the instructions to download and install the software on your device. Once installed, you're ready to explore the powerful features and tools that Premiere Pro offers to create stunning video content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily purchase and set up a Premiere Pro subscription, unlocking your creative potential with one of the industry's leading video editing tools. Happy editing!